Knowing how to cut vegetables safely is a very important and necessary skill in the kitchen. What I like to do is to top and tail both ends of the onion and then to cut it in half, because I don't want to cut it when it's the shape of a ball. That's dangerous. I want to cut it in half and lay the cut open side flat onto the board so it's much more stable and I can hold it more safely and cut it. Also, it's a lot easier to peel the onion when it's being cut in half. You can use a knife to scrape back the skin or use your fingers and just pull it away. Place the cut flat side of the onion down onto the chopping board and using the knuckles of your hand firmly guide the back of the sharp knife and start cutting the onion from the small end. It's a lot safer and easier to rest the knife against your knuckles. That way there's no fingers involved and the least risk of any accidents. When you've sliced halfway through the onion, turn the onion around in order to continue holding the center of the onion, which is the largest surface area and the safest grip that you can possibly have. Continue to cut again from the small end of the onion till the middle, because you're holding the largest part of the vegetable and therefore the safest. Now that you have a pile of thinly sliced onions, I like to crush it in my hands to loosen the layers, or you can just run it through the knife for finely chopped onion. Now with the second half of the onion, I'll show you another popular way, and that is to cut strips downwards across the onion and turn the knife flat and cut two strips, one closer to the bottom of the onion, then raise the knife and horizontally cut across the onion to the center and chop down, and then you'll have perfectly formed cubes of onions. Again, turn the onion 180 degrees so that you're still holding the center of the onion, which is the largest and safest part of the vegetable. Again, cut some strips down the onion and then turn the knife and continue the vegetable and finish finely chopping the onion. And there you have it. Basic safe knife skills is so important in the kitchen. Guiding the knife with your knuckles is the best way of cutting vegetables or fruits. Of course, you have to have a sharp knife. The more you practice your knife skills, the better you will get and the more confident you'll become in the kitchen. I'll be teaching more skills and hacks around the kitchen. Family meals made from scratch. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. And remember, every meal is an opportunity to heal and nourish.